Hello and welcome to Rami-LearnTV. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate the blockchain using one of the most popular decentralized wallets, MetaMask. Specifically, we'll be exploring the Binance Smart Chain BSC Testnet to execute test transactions. The BSC Testnet is a pre-deployment network used for testing tokens or smart contracts before their actual launch. No real money is involved, and this content is created purely for educational purposes. Let's get started. First, head over to your App Store and download the MetaMask app. After installing the app, open MetaMask to get started. A decentralized wallet lets us connect to Web 3, the next generation of the Internet. Unlike Web 2, which we currently use, Web 3 allows us to interact and transact with decentralized applications dApps. However, always be cautious. Connecting to unknown dApps could result in losing all the funds in your wallet. With a decentralized wallet, no institution controls your crypto holdings. Unlike centralized banks or institutions that manage and control your funds, decentralized wallets like MetaMask give you full control. You can store, spend, and send digital assets like tokens, Ethereum, and unique collectibles on a network that operates without a single authority. Once updated, the network is immutable and cannot be changed. Now tap Get Started. You will be asked whether you want to import using secret recovery phrase or create a new wallet. Let's choose Create a new wallet. Agree to the privacy consent to proceed with creating your new wallet. Create a strong password for your wallet. Keep in mind that MetaMask does not have a forgot password option, and once set, your password cannot be recovered. Make sure to remember it or store it securely. Tap Secure My Wallet to view your recovery phrase. This phrase will consist of 12 or more words, and it is absolutely crucial that you keep it private. This is your only way to recover your wallet if you forget your password or need to restore your wallet on a different device. Write these words down and store them in a safe place, away from prying eyes. This recovery phrase is the key to your funds, so treat it like a highly sensitive piece of information. If anyone gains access to this phrase, they can easily restore your wallet and take control of your assets, including any tokens, Ethereum, or collectibles you hold. It's essential that you never share this phrase with anyone, and avoid storing it in places that are vulnerable to theft, like online or in your email. When you tap to view the recovery phrase, take your time to write it down carefully in the exact order shown. Once you've recorded it, double-check to ensure it is accurate. Afterward, you will be prompted to confirm that you've written it down correctly by selecting the words in the correct order. This is an extra security step to ensure that you're fully prepared to recover your wallet if needed. Remember, losing access to this recovery phrase could mean the permanent loss of your funds, as MetaMask does not have a way to reset or recover your password. Hence, securing this phrase is vital to ensuring that your crypto assets are safe and accessible only to you. This is the blockchain network. In this case, it is the Ethereum main network, but we will switch to a custom network, the BNB Smart Chain Testnet. This is your account. You can add an account here. Each account has a wallet address, which is alphanumeric. You can use wallet addresses to receive and/or send tokens. This is your wallet address for account 1. You can copy this and send it to someone if you want to receive tokens from them or transfer from your centralized exchange account, like coins.ph. Your private key is another way to recover an account. Treat it with the same level of sensitivity as your seed phrase. We will now switch to a different network, the Binance Smart Chain Testnet. Tap on Add Network. You will see different blockchain networks here, such as Arbitrum, BNB Chain, and others. Binance Smart Chain Testnet is not in the list, so we need to tap on Custom Network. Copy the information on the screen to set up your Binance Smart Chain Testnet network. You can also find the details in the video description below. After that, tap Add. Next, tap Switch Network. And here we are in the Binance Smart Chain Testnet. Every network has its own unique native token. In the Binance Smart Chain Testnet, it is TBNB. I transferred some from my other account, which I collected for free from the TBNB faucet. This token is used to facilitate transactions and is paid to the entities that validate and add transactions to the blockchain. To add a new token, we need to check the contract address of the specific token. It resembles a wallet address. Here, you can see the Philippine Peros token contract address. You can copy this from the video description below. Then tap Next. Tap Import. Then, you can now see your Philippine Peros token. I currently have 1 billion Philippine Peros. If you want to try it out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your wallet address in the comment section. You'll receive 0.001 TBNB and 100,000 Philippine Peros. Remember, this is just a test and does not involve real money or cryptocurrency with any actual value. How do you receive tokens like Philippine Peros or TBNB? It's simple. Just share your wallet address with the sender. They'll use this address to transfer tokens directly to your account. Always double check your wallet address before sharing to avoid any errors. You have options for sharing your wallet address. You can have it scanned, copied, and sent, or you can tap Request Payment to share your QR code directly. To send a token like Philippine Peros or TBNB, tap on the token you want to send, then select Send. Enter the recipient's wallet address or scan their QR code. After that, input the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. Make sure you have enough native tokens, like TBNB, to cover the transaction fees. How do you connect to a decentralized application or dApp? Always be mindful when connecting to dApps, as this may pose a risk of losing funds. You can trade, stake, or deposit tokens to earn, play, and engage in many other activities with dApps. Transactions are facilitated by smart contracts on the blockchain and are recorded publicly. Anyone who knows your wallet address can trace your transactions. Once executed, no one can change those transactions. Tap the magnifying glass icon. Type the URL in the box on the screen. Connect. Tap MetaMask. Then tap Connect again. Double check if the network is set to Binance Smart Chain Testnet. In PancakeSwap dApp, we can buy and sell different tokens. Trading is facilitated by smart contracts. Typically, the automated market maker AMM model is used, where there is no specific counterparty other than the smart contract itself in the transactions. It is free from intermediaries. On the mainnet, staking and farming are also available. Let's execute a transaction where we'll exchange Philippine Peros for no US dollars. You can find the token addresses in the video description below. We will do a sample transaction where we exchange 10,000 Philippine pesos for no US dollars. After entering 10,000 pesos, the system will automatically compute the equivalent amount of NSD to be received, which in this case is 171.963 NSD. Hit swap to initiate the transaction. After the transaction, our pesos balance was reduced by 10,000 and our NSD balance was increased by 171.963 NSD. How can I check my account on the blockchain? Just open your Chrome browser and enter the URL shown on the screen. This website is called a blockchain explorer, where you can find every transaction that has occurred on the network. It includes every token, smart contract, and account. Everything is publicly available. That's all for this session. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching.